Hey freelancers, influencers, and product creators. Supercharge your health content with DietIQAI. Let me ask you something. What if you could create unlimited diet plans, recipes, ready-made prompt templates, and fitness content in just a few clicks, and sell them under your own name for 100% profit? Introducing DietIQAI, your all-in-one AI-powered business in a box that helps you scale in the booming $7 trillion health and wellness industry. No skills or experience needed. And here's where it gets exciting. The agency license is included. That means you can sell unlimited content to clients, create white-label PLR packs, and keep complete profits. DietIQAI gives you big brand power without the hassle. No team, no skills, no fancy tech needed. Create in-demand health content and build a business. Every click brings you closer to a business that grows while you sleep. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use. With DietIQAI, you're not just purchasing an app. You're gaining access to a complete system that empowers you to create income, influence, and independence wherever you are. Take an insight into what you are getting in DietIQAI. The diet plan generator instantly creates personalized meal plans for any goal: weight loss, keto, vegan, diabetic-friendly, and more. Each plan looks professional, structured, and ready to sell, saving you hours of work every day. The recipe generator helps you produce endless recipe ideas with step-by-step instructions and full nutritional info. Perfect for recipe eBooks, meal guides, or social media posts your audience will love. And the prompt generator gives you ready-made AI templates to instantly create engaging content like meal plans, workouts, social posts, and motivational scripts, even if you've never written a prompt before. Every feature in DietIQAI is designed to save your time and multiply your profits, turning content creation into a business that practically runs on automatic. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what DietIQAI makes possible. You don't need to worry about prompts, rewriting, or formatting. Everything is done automatically. No monthly fees, no technical setup, no restrictions. Just pure profit potential in one of the fastest growing markets on the planet. Whether you're a freelancer looking to earn more on Fiverr or Upwork, a coach or nutritionist who wants to serve more clients, a PLR seller building digital products, or a marketer wanting to expand into the wellness niche, DietIQAI gives you everything you need to scale, fast. And the results? Our beta users are already seeing results. Freelancers earning $50 to $300 per project. Product creators making $500 to $5,000 a month selling ebooks. And marketers turning DietIQAI content into steady passive income streams. Think about it. Health and wellness never go out of demand. People will always be searching for diet plans, healthy recipes, and fitness inspiration. Now you can be the one selling it, in minutes, not months. So why wait? The health industry is massive, and early adopters always win. Right now, you can grab DietIQAI for a special one-time investment. No subscriptions, no hidden costs. And start building your own AI-powered health empire today. Click the button below and get instant access. Because with DietIQAI, you're not just creating content. You're creating a future of freedom, income, and impact. So go ahead. DietIQAI is 100% cloud-based, beginner-friendly, and built for real-world results.